Right then, I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe from the Leon Happy Fast Foods Cookbook. Really good section of the book here where it covers pickles and sauces. So please check out my playlist with regards to pickles, sauces and condiments. Really good section on that now. I've just recently covered Biscuits red onion chutney, which is a superb side dish. It's a good way of preserving foods. In these kind of times when you've got food in, it may be going off in advance 2 or 3 days and you're thinking, I could pickle that. What we're going to do here is we're going to cover the brine, which is a general mix of white wine and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, really good. Of sugar and salt, which are also natural preserving. So the acidity and the salt are natural preservative. Then what we're going to cover is cucumber pickle, which is with this one here. Really simple, really easy. So of course we need our cucumber, dill, spring onions, horseradish, this is optional, the white wine vinegar, raw organic apple cider vinegar, really good, fine sea salt, sugar. We need a bowl to mix and also a measuring bowl. And I love these little jars for storing. So let's crack on. Boom. And here we have it, the cucumber and dill pickle. Really good to make in advance, really good way to not waste food. So I really hope you're enjoying the show. Please check out all the other condiments and sauces and pickles. Please don't forget to subscribe.